Imagine this. It's Monday morning, you're already behind on emails, and your brain is screaming, I need to post something on Instagram today. But nothing comes. Now, imagine instead, you sit down for 1 hour, coffee in hand, and when you stand up, you've got 30 days of content ready to roll. Sounds impossible? Not with AI.
Hey, I'm Inga Grinko. I'm the founder of I'm Fashion and CEO of Bosch Paris, and I help emerging fashion and creative entrepreneurs grow their brands.
Why most creators burn out? Here's the truth. Most creators and solo entrepreneurs treat content like a daily homework assignment. They wake up every morning thinking, what should I post? That's exhausting. And that's why so many brands post for 2 weeks, then disappear for 2 months. Consistency isn't about discipline, it's about systems. AI is your system. When I first started, I wasted hours scrolling Pinterest, Instagram for inspiration. One time, I literally spent 3 hours making one single post and I didn't even perform well. Now, I can plan 30 posts in less time than it takes me to watch an episode of Netflix. Here's a simple process I teach. Step number 1, define your 3 to 5 content pillars. Example, sustainability, styling tips, behind the scenes, storytelling. Step number 2, use AI to brainstorm angles, formats, and hooks for each pillar. Step number 3, generate captions, titles, and even first drafts of visuals. Step number 4, batch everything into 30-day calendar. For instance, you run a jewelry brand. Your pillars might be craftsmanship, styling, founder story, and customer testimonials. In 15 minutes, AI can spit out 20 hooks like 3 mistakes when styling statement earrings or what your ring says about you. That's content gold. Glossier turned customer feedback into daily content. Imagine AI to transform every DM into a shareable post. Patagonia built a movement by repeating their sustainability message in 100 creative ways. With AI, you can repurpose your core values without sounding repetitive. Gymshark mastered TikTok by pushing volume. AI lets you test 30 variations of hooks in minutes. AI isn't replacing creativity, it's replacing the boring part. Think of AI like your intern who never gets tired. I once asked ChatGPT to write a post in the voice of a sarcastic fashion editor. The result? Half hilarious, half genius. It wasn't perfect, but it sparked an idea that became one of my best performing posts. That's the trick. Use AI as your creative sparring partner, not your ghostwriter. So here's my practical tips how you can actually create 30 days of content in 1 hour. Well, first, feed AI your content pillars plus brand tone of voice. Second, generate 30 hooks and headlines. Then, expand your captions and scripts. And then drop it all into a content calendar. Pro tip, don't aim for perfection. Aim for done. AI draft, you polish, you publish. So if you want a lasting brand, stop thinking of yourself as just a designer or a founder. You're also a media company. Fast fashion wins with speed and volume, but you can win with meaning and consistency. AI gives you the leverage to play like the big brands without their teams of 20 marketers. So here is my challenge to you. This week, block 1 hour, grab your coffee, open your AI tool and build 30 days of content. If you do it right, you'll never wake up stressed about what to post today. And if this episode saved you from wasting money, hit that like button right now so more entrepreneurs can find it. Subscribe if you want to build a brand that actually lasts, not one that just looks good for 5 minutes. And don't stop here. In my next video, I'll show you why your paid ads are not working without this one thing. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next one.